Hi everyone. This game is called 5 in a row, and all you need to do to start off with is to draw a grid, or as we say at school with the kids, an array that is 5 rows by 5 rows, which gives us 25 numbers altogether. And then all you need is 2 dice. Once again, I've mixed it up with a numeral dice and a dot dice. You could use 2 of these, you could use 2 of these, or you could just use one and roll it twice. There's a lot of ways of using it. The first step to do is we need to put in our grid the numbers 1 to 25. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 up to 25. You could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, or you could go random. Over time, you might discover a bit of a strategy between which one is best, and I'd love you to see if you could work that out. So bear with me while I just put my numbers in. Okay, after filling in the grids, my partner has got their grid, I've got mine. Doesn't matter if I did mine random and my partner did theirs in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, that fashion. It's personal choice. So I then roll my 2 dice. 2, 4. Now what I need to do here is either multiply, divide, add or subtract. And I'll write down the examples I can do. 2 and 4. I could do 2 times 4 equals 8. I could say 2 plus 4 equals 6. I could say 4 divided by 2 equals 2. And I could say 4 take away 2 equals 2. It's important in this activity where we see it doesn't matter if I say 2 times 4 or 4 times 2, answer will be the same. 2 plus 4, 4 plus 2, answer will always be the same. 4 divided by 2 equals 2. But if I turn that around, I can't say 2 divided by 4. Likewise, 4 take away 2 equals 2. I cannot turn these two around and do it the other way. Important to note that the kids can see that when you multiply, the order doesn't matter. Addition, the order doesn't matter. The same result. Division, subtraction, it's important that the highest number is always listed first. So I just choose one of these. I might get rid of the number 8 on my grid. 2 times 4, I tell my partner what I'm going to do. 2 times 4 equals 8. I find where 8 is and I can cross it off or shade it in. Okay, my partner then has their turn on their sheet. 3, 1. Let's see what they could do. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 3 divided by 1 equals 3. 3 take away 1 equals 2. And they could choose. You can see that all operations, we could use all 4 operations there. It won't always be the case. They choose which number they're going to cross off on their chart, and they might say, okay, 3 plus 1 equals 4, and if this was their chart, they would cross off the 4. Be the first one to get 5 in a row, up and down, left and right, or diagonally. There would be a strategy eventually, as you shade in more numbers, you get a few choices of which numbers to cross out. So ideally, I'd be hoping to work on maybe numbers in this row, because the 4's there, or there, or numbers that have got the 8 in it, or the rows that have got the 8 in it. How can you change this for older children? You could use a bigger range of numbers. You could start at, make the numbers between 20 and 50, for example. You could multiply. You could use maybe 3 dice, introduce number operations. You might say things, if you've got 3 dice, you might say 2 times 6 plus 5. 2 times 6 is 12, plus 5 is 17. You could do 3 take away 2 and then multiply by 6. Who knows? There's lots of range of doing things. So this one, more for the juniors, getting towards the older ones. Here, as you're getting up to about grade 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, where you can throw in a few more challenges. What you could also do is always ask the kids, how could we change the way the game's played to make it a bit more challenging? That's a great way. So games don't have to be played just the way we show them. The kids will come up with great options, great ideas, and it just makes a game go further. Good luck with this one. Thanks.